Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be building a super long square set of nails, and I'm using the Rosalind soft pink polygel to build these. Now this is the first time I have ever built long square nails, and they're a lot more difficult than what they look, you know, but I was actually really happy with how they turned out. This soft pink polygel is very soft. Now it is a very, very hot day. I probably should have put it in the fridge for a little while before I started using it, but I managed to use it. I managed to get on alright with it in the end. It just took a little bit of getting used to, that's all. So I'm going to show you me building this nail and the ring fingernail, and then I'm going to be doing some freehand nail art, and then we're going to be using some neon pigments. Yeah, we're going to create a really cool fun summer design. And this is a recreation design of what I saw on Instagram, on the Not Polished Instagram page. As soon as I saw them, I knew I had to recreate them. These tips what I'm using, guys, are the extra long square half well tips what I bought from Aliexpress. They're really nice tips to use. So I'm going to get this polygel where I want it, or as best as I can, and then I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure. And then I'm going to do the exact same on this nail, but I've sped this up a little bit more. And then I'll do the other two nails off camera, because it's the exact same on every nail and I don't want this video to get too long. So yeah, I'll do them other two nails off camera, and then I shall come back in when we're ready to file. I've left one nail in to show you my filing routine, and today I'm using an e-file. I just wanted to show you how I managed to keep that lovely square shape. So I'm using my Macart portable e-file, and I'm using a medium carbide drill bit. So you don't need anything coarser than that, guys. That's the nice thing about polygel. It's so soft and really easy to file. In fact, it's not very often I use an e-file when I'm filing polygel. I usually hand file everything. I just find with a hand file you get a much nicer shape, but it is nice to use an e-file to debulk. These were a little bit lumpy bumpy because that polygel was so soft. So I'll start off by filing down the nail to debulk some of them lumpy bumps, and then I'll run the file around the cuticle area, making that nice and flush to the natural nail, making it look nice and natural. And then I run my file up the sides like I'm doing here. Now you've got to be careful when you do this though, guys, that you don't over file, because then you can make them stress points quite weak. If you're not too confident with your e-file, then you're best off doing the sides with your hand file. So that's them all filed and buffed. Now I'm applying this perfect black Madam Glam gel polish to my palette. I'm using a long liner brush, and I'm going to paint French tips on all four nails. But again, I'll just show you me doing the one, guys, because it's the exact same process. So I'll start off by doing the outline first, and then I'll go in with a brush out the bottle to apply the rest of the product. So that's the black all painted. I'm going to give that a double cure for 60 seconds, guys. I do like to double cure any black gel polishes. I'm using the Madam Glam's Perfect White, adding that to my palette. Now I did this bit wrong, guys. I shouldn't have done these swirly lines just yet. I should have done them after I matte top coated. So ignore this bit. So I'm sealing all that in with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to be doing some freehand on these nails, and I find any freehand is so much easier to do over a matte surface. But not only that, I'm going to be using some neon pigments as well, and I don't want the pigments to stick to that tacky layer of the gel polish. So I'm going to apply that to all 4 nails, and then I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm using that Madam Glam's Perfect White Gel Polish, and I'm going to be painting some Louis Vuitton logos. Now this detailer brush, guys, is amazing. It's the Madam Glam Detail Liner Brush. I can get such thin, intricate lines with this brush. It is unreal. And look how well that white is covering over that black, guys. These Madam Glam Perfect Gel Polishes are super opaque. Now I did pull out the Madam Glam's white gel paint to do this, and then I realised the Madam Glam's white gel paint cures without a tacky layer, and I really needed that tacky layer to stick those neon pigments into, so that's why I've opted for the white gel polish.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I, safe and sound.
That's all the logos painted. I did go over them white swirly lines again off camera. I didn't see the point in me showing you that bit all over again. But yeah, I did go over them again because obviously they've had a matte top coat over the top of them. These pigments wouldn't stick to it. So now I'm going in with the neon pigments and I'm just brushing them and patting them into that cured white gel polish. So this is the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. I've applied some of that to my palette and I'm just going to go over these swirly lines again because I'm going to be sugaring some glitter into this. So I'm not going to cure that. Once I've applied it all to the swirls, I'm then going to sugar some gorgeous white iridescent glitter into it and then I shall pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Because it's got glitter sprinkled into it, that's why I'm giving it a double cure. Look at this glitter, guys. How beautiful is that? And because it's white iridescent, you can still see the rainbow colours underneath it. It looks really, really pretty. You'll see once I dust that excess glitter off. And then again, I'm going to go over these logos with the matte top coat, and that's going to seal all those pigments in. So that's all the artwork done. Now it's time for crystals. So this is the Full Beauty gem glue and I'm applying some really, really pretty. I didn't even know I had these until one of my mates showed me them the other day and I thought, I've got them, I'm sure I have. I just thought they was the normal neon crystals, but they're not. They're like a pastel version, but they've got a really pretty aurora effect to them when the light hits them. So yeah, I'm doing 2 cuticle cuffs, 1 on each of them nails, and cure them in the lamp. That's them all finished. What do you think? You'll see there, guys, that I've added some caviar beads around them crystals just to finish them off. I think it just makes them pop a little bit more. I like them. They're not the sort of nails that I'd wear on myself. Unless if I was going to a festival or a rave or something, then maybe I would. But they're a little bit bright for me. But I like them. I really, really enjoyed creating these. I've not really been doing much freehand lately, but since I've did them pop art nails, I've done a few different freehand designs and I'm really enjoying doing it again. And I'm really happy with the shape of these as well. It's the first time I've built long square nails before. Yeah, I'm really happy with that shape. And the logos as well. It's the first time in a long time that I've done a design where I've not had to wipe it off and start again. Every single one of those logos, what I freehanded, turned out perfect first time. So yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. So that's everything for today's video, guys. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.